Hi, my name is Scott Woods. I'm a photographer, a blogger, an educator, and an author. And I'm very happy to offer you this new Lightroom workflow course. Now, it's not a best practices preaching style, this is what is best type of course. This is my personal workflow. I'm a colorblind photographer. I see color, but I don't see all color. And when multiple colors of the same sort of tone are next to each other, I can't tell the difference. Or if colors are very pale, I can barely make them out. So, when it comes to culling and choosing and picking photos inside of Lightroom, I don't use the color option because I can barely see the colors inside of Lightroom. Instead, I use stars. So, it's that type of thing that you're going to learn inside of this course. You're going to learn what I do, the how I do everything inside of Lightroom, but also the why. Because I do certain things for certain reasons that may not make sense to most people. But I have my own methods. And these methods have sped up my post-processing time, have kept me focused, and have just been very efficient for me. So, in this course, you're going to learn about how I start from in camera, how I make sure I have accurate color as a colorblind photographer. You're actually going to learn about the importing process, my file management. You're going to learn about exporting and backups and how I use collections and smart collections and collection sets and Lightroom Mobile. You're going to learn about why I make presets for each client that I have. And you're going to learn about how I process a portrait, how I process a landscape, how I do HDR and panoramics, and what third-party plugins I use, all these great things you're going to learn inside of Camera to Completion, a Lightroom workflow course. This course is not going to tell you what's best practices. It's going to give you the ability to tell yourself what's best practices.